My name is Aaron Ewing, and I am the Digital Media Specialist here at the Harris County Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. The time to prepare for hurricane season is now. Visit ReadyHarris.org for a full list of what you should have in your emergency kit. While you're there, take the time to sign up for our ReadyHarris alerts. It is important to have multiple ways of receiving emergency alerts. You will also need to prepare your home for hurricane season. Take the time to take photos of the inside and outside of your home. These photos will become important if you need to file an insurance claim. And don't forget that flooding is not covered by most homeowners insurance plans. Visit floodsmart.gov to learn more about the National Flood Insurance Program and how it can help protect your home and family this hurricane season. You can also text GULF 2021 to 888-777 to receive emergency alerts this hurricane season.